Many victims of motor vehicle collisions are reluctant to pursue litigation because they are concerned about the high cost of lawyers' fees. What these people should remember is that if they are successful in proving their case at a court of law or successful in the negotiation, the other side must pay part of your legal fees. So in Alberta, there's a schedule called Schedule C, and it will award approximately 1/4 to 1/3 of whatever your legal fees are to you to compensate you and help offset your legal fees. In addition to that, the other side, as the losing party, the defendant auto insurance company, has to pay 100% of your disbursements for doctor's reports, doctor's charts, engineering accident reconstruction reports, occupational therapy reports, etc. All of those reports are paid by the defendant auto insurance company, and they don't come out of your settlement amount. Now that's the general rule, that's the basic rule. That basic general rule can be changed in the unusual situation when the defendant auto insurance company serves our office with a formal offer to settle, and we decide not to accept it, and we go to trial, and we ultimately recover less than that defendant auto insurance company's formal offer. In that unusual situation, then, the victim would not recover his or her costs. Instead, the victim would have to pay the defendant auto insurance company's legal fees under Schedule C, which again would be about 1/4 to 1/3, and the victim would have to pay the defendant auto insurance company's disbursements, 100% of the disbursements for their doctor's defense medical exams or accident reconstruction if they have their own accident reconstructionist. So in that unusual situation, which doesn't happen very frequently, the victim could pay part of the defendant auto insurance company's costs, but that's only in a situation where you refuse to accept a reasonable offer and then you go to trial and you end up with less. But bear in mind that the general rule is if you're successful, you can recover 1/4 to 1/3 of your legal fees plus 100% of your disbursements.